Iceland is a Nordic island country located in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is known for its stunning landscapes, including volcanoes, geysers, hot springs, lava fields, and glaciers. Here are some key points about Iceland. Geography. Iceland is situated at the juncture of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, east of Greenland and immediately south of the Arctic Circle. It is the westernmost country in Europe and covers an area of about 103,000 square kilometers, 39,769 square miles. Capital and cities. Reykjavik is the capital and largest city of Iceland. It is the economic and cultural hub of the country. Other significant towns and cities include Akureyri, Keflavik, Hafnarfjörður, and Ísafjörður. The majority of the population is concentrated in the capital region. Language. The official language of Iceland is Icelandic. English is widely spoken and understood, particularly in tourist areas. Natural wonders. Iceland is known for its incredible natural beauty. Some of its famous attractions include the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa, the Golden Circle, a popular tourist route, Vatnajökull National Park, home to Europe's largest glacier, Jökulsárlón, a stunning glacial lagoon, and the Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. Volcanoes and geothermal activity. Iceland sits on the mid-Atlantic ridge, a tectonic boundary where the North American and Eurasian plates meet. As a result, it has a high concentration of volcanoes and geothermal activity. The most famous volcano is Eyjafjallajökull, which erupted in 2010 and caused significant disruptions to air travel. Outdoor activities. Iceland offers numerous outdoor activities such as hiking, glacier walking, ice climbing, whale watching, horseback riding, and exploring ice caves. The diverse landscapes make it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Culture and heritage. Iceland has a rich cultural heritage influenced by Norse traditions. The sagas, a collection of medieval Icelandic literature, are an important part of the country's cultural identity. The arts, including music and literature, thrive in Iceland. Renewable energy. Iceland is known for its use of renewable energy sources. The country's geothermal power and hydroelectricity provide a significant portion of its energy needs, making it one of the cleanest and most sustainable energy systems in the world. Tourism. Tourism has been growing steadily in Iceland in recent years, attracting visitors from around the world. The country's unique landscapes and natural wonders make it a popular destination for travelers seeking adventure and natural beauty.